Yeah, today is Friday, the 6th of September. Got about 2/10 of rain overnight this morning. Enough I don't have to water the garden or the yard. And the volunteer tomato patch has gone just absolutely nuts. I sprayed herbicide on the green stuff that was growing. It's getting a dieback on it. I got probably 1,000 blooms. I'm still looking for the first little baby tomato. Haven't seen any of those yet, but they're coming. And I said I was going to thin this patch, but I don't think I am. Seem to be doing okay just like it is. Peppers are doing good. This is the cabbage we pulled here. I should be able to get at least one more, maybe two, which is fine. And the watermelon patch I cleaned up and staying cleaned up. Just enough rain to settle the dust, which is fine. I still got some herbicide in my 1-gallon sprayer. I see more green out there I need to spray. I need to try to stay on top of that stuff. So I say that all the time, and it never happens. It's in the 70s today, so I got my exhaust fan running and the doors opened up. Nice and pleasant. I mowed the grass up here on Monday. It's probably grown a ½ inch since then, but it'll be Monday or Tuesday next week before I mow it again. Just a slow, lazy day for me. Wife's at her little job at the mall. And the stray cats were feeding outside. Still don't know if they're using my cat house I bought them. Don't want a lot of activity by it because it'll keep them away from it. A gray one was eating breakfast this morning. It's gaining weight, so it's doing some good. All the tree garbage is still up there. One of the employees, well, 2 of them were sitting underneath that tree when I pulled up today. As weak as that tree is, that's not too smart, but that's up to them. There's a bunch of limbs showing dead leaves up there in this tree. So there's still a bunch of limbs that are going to fall out of it. I ain't going to park my truck over there, I know that. I ain't going to spend much time standing underneath it either when the wind's blowing. See, at least a ½ dozen is going to come down. Yeah, as long as you're in the shade, it's pleasant temperature. But anyway, that's all for this one. Thank you.